If you want your course to be an online success, then this video is for you. Launching your online course can either go horribly wrong or it can be a great success. But the outcome of your online course can be dictated by your strategy. That's why in this video I'll be breaking down 5 different strategies of how you can launch your online course. Now, the first strategy to launching your online course is validating your online course. And don't get me wrong, this is an essential step to getting a great launch of your course. And if you do this right, you can actually sell your course directly to the people that have validated your course. Now, how do you validate your course? There are actually a bunch of different ways to do this. The first one being is through social media. And I would actually suggest doing this through social media because, for example, on Instagram, you have this great option where you can create a poll. Here you can enter in like, hey guys, I want to launch a course about either this topic or this topic. What do you prefer to see? And this way you will quickly get an idea of what your audience wants to see. So, for example, I am in marketing and I wanted to create a course about either short form content or about editing. And this way I launched a poll. I asked them, do you want to see a course about short form content or editing? The majority voted about short form content, and that's why I'm creating a course about short form content. And here's how you can actually sell to the people that have validated your course. Once they have voted for your course and you have determined what your course will be about, then you can actually send them a DM and you can tell them like a personalized message like, hey, I'm creating the type of course that you wanted me to create. I'm actually gonna sell it to the people who have validated it at a really low discounted price. Do you want to invest in this upfront? Please let me know. And this way you can pretty much pre-sell your course before you have even created your entire course. Now, the second strategy to launching your online course is by creating a waitlist. And this is great for people that want to stay up to date with your course. And it also is a great sign of people that show interest into you creating your course. Now, let me show you how you can create your own waitlist through a landing page. So what we do for that is we go to FreshLearn. I will leave the link to FreshLearn in the description down below. This is a course hosting platform that can do more than just hosting your course. Now, in FreshLearn, what you want to do is you want to go to a website, then you go to pages. And then within pages, we actually select the one that we have. I already have one right here. So you can literally build this all the way from scratch, or you can use a template. And here, as you can see, this is what I mean by creating a waitlist. Now, I have my course right here. I have all the information. I even have like what is inside of my course, but I haven't yet created this course. So what people can do is they can leave down their email address and then they can join the waitlist. So once you have people that have signed up to your waitlist, you can actually create an email campaign, and that's where you can start teasing your course. And this is also people that have the most interest in your course already. So it's a great way to give some inside tips to your community, tell them like updates about the course that you're creating, and also give them a special discount to joining the waitlist. Now we have strategy number 3, and that is to pre-sell your course. I already teased this a little bit in strategy number 1, but pre-selling your course can be an essential step to launching your course and making it a success. So to pre-sell your course, you will actually need 2 things. You will need to have a landing page where people can find more information, and you will need an incentive why people would buy your course before you have even created it. Now, a major incentive can be a discount, like a special one-of-a-kind discount that you can only get if you pre-buy the course. Now, I would highly suggest doing something like this. So let me show you how you can create your landing page using FreshLearn. So if we go back to FreshLearn, we can add a new page right here. Then we can literally select what kind of category we are in. So let's say, for example, we are a management course, then I can just pick that template and now everything will be already built. So if we scroll all the way up, then we have the entire template built out, and here we can have people like say like buy now, and then we can even customize like the pricing. So we can add like something like a special price, or we can say like change the button to a certain name. So this way we can pre-sell our course with, for example, a discount. Now the strategy to launching your course is to create an email campaign. And this is essential for anyone who has joined your waiting list, or the email list that you already have. And with your email campaign, you can essentially build like a weekly email newsletter that people will get about your course. Within that email campaign, you can explain the benefits of buying your course. You can explain like the process of your course. You can leave out testimonials. You can add all of that information in your email campaign. And this will essentially warm up your audience to your course. Now, one of the things that I see happen a lot in email campaigns is to add also a discount. So before like even launching your course, add like a discount in your email campaign. This way people will already be informed about your course and they also will be triggered to even buy it. Within FreshLearn, you can easily build your own email campaign. I have one right here. For example, I have one where you can get a 30% discount. And if I scroll down through the email content, then you see like what this is about. So I have like a newsletter. Then I explain like, here I have something super exciting. I have an exclusive discount, why they should pre-buy it. And essentially all of these things might even help them consider buying my course. So within FreshLearn, you can easily create an email campaign like this. And if you want to try it out for yourself, just click the link in the description down below. So the last strategy to launching your course is to host a free webinar. And a free webinar is something where you pick a date, then you create, for example, a live Zoom call, or you pre-record it yourself. And then once people are watching this, you explain, for example, the value of your course, and you give away a small part of your course to make them interested. So for example, if I were to sell something like a short-form content agency course, then I might give like a few tips of how to start your agency. I can even do like a live Q&A. And then during that webinar, I will go into the details of my course. I will explain the benefits of buying my course, and this way I can get people excited for when my course is launched. So within FreshLearn, you can create a webinar. If you go to products, then you go to masterclass, and then you can create a new masterclass. Here you can upload your image. You can set out the date and the time zone. Then you add a description. And then once you click on save, so let me just set this up. So once you filled in all of your information, you can even set like if you're using Zoom or like Google Meet, then you click on the pricing and here you can select a pricing plan. Now within the pricing plan, you can do either like a free webinar or you can do a paid webinar. I would suggest doing this for free. And then you can add some marketing, you can change the URL, you can add some meta description. And then you pretty much can share and publish your masterclass. This will create a landing page for your webinar where people can sign up. Now, these were 5 strategies of how you can launch your online course. Now, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. And if you want to see more videos about how to create and sell your course, then check out the video that is on the screen right now.